Hey everybody, it's Evan with Let's Do This. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reattach the awning to the strip attachment to a pop-up camper. This is the kit that I bought. Don't buy it. After 2 weekends, it's already rusting. So instead, buy these marine snap kits that are rust-resistant steel. It's the same application. I'm going to show you how to do it. I used the wrong ones. Now I have to purchase the right ones. So learn from my mistakes as usual. So you want to drill a hole through. This is going to save you bringing it to an upholstery place or trying to sew through that canvas. It's near impossible. This is way quicker, and hopefully with these marine snaps, it's not going to rust out like the first set that I bought, which I've purchased before for indoor leather, and it worked really well. I just didn't know that they would rust so quickly being outside and getting wet. So once you put the snap through, it's really easy. You just put the second snap on the back. And the first thing I did was I used a mallet, which didn't really work very well. You actually want to use the setting tool that they give you to put on top of it and beat it down. So I'm going to show you. You have that disc in the back. Place the back, I'll call it a rivet, or the back snap on there. Then you want to hit the front snap till it clicks in place. Like I said, when I first did it, I just hit it with the mallet straight on. Didn't really work too well. I couldn't get a good hit on it. So make sure to use your setting tool, the long piece that comes with it. It's what you're meant to do. I just was being an idiot this first go around, and it pretty much pulled right out. So anyway, a few things you can learn from my video. Buy marine, outdoor, use snaps, and use your setting tool. But first, drill your hole through, and then you should be able to just press the snap in. And now I'll show you the right way to do it. So you set that back snap onto the disc, and then use that tool. Punch, I guess, right on top, and then you smack that just a few times. You don't want to push your snap through the backside. You just want to set it in place. And actually, I think it's going to be a lot stronger than using the sewing. I don't know. I could be wrong, but it seems really strong, a strong fit on there. I picked it up by the attachment and shook it a whole lot before putting it onto my camper. I got a weekend out of it. I set up my awning, and it worked really well. Didn't pull, didn't seem like it was weak. But like I said, the next weekend I went up and it was already rusting. So definitely going to want to buy those marine snaps. Next time I go up, I got to pop all these out and put the new ones in. So don't go to try cheap. Buy the right ones. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.